Hey everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kate and I'm going to be participating in the Disney Cultural Exchange program for the summer of 2018. So today I'm going to be filming my haul video, basically just showing you everything I've bought up until now to get ready for my program. So that includes like clothes, bedding, and other little knickknacks that I am planning on bringing along. So I am planning on bringing 2 big suitcases, so depending on how much room I have, I might also bring a little carry-on suitcase, but I think I'll be okay with just the 2. So let's get right into the video. So first I'm going to show you just some like miscellaneous items that I've bought so far. Tons of vacuum seal bags. These are going to be really awesome for my clothes and other items that I can just remove all the air out of. They are from Dollarama and they were only $1.25. Just show you, this isn't for my trip, but I am moving, so I decided to vacuum pack some of my other clothes, and this is probably about 15 or 20 pounds of clothes. So even though these are like off-brand bags, they work real well. Next, I have a couple things of concealer and makeup. These are going to be to cover my tattoos while I'm there. So I got the Glamouflage that everyone recommends from Walmart, as well as the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. It works okay. I mean, I'll probably make a video on covering my tattoos, but that's what I have so far. Next, I bought a big Canadian flag. So this is also from Dollarama. It was only $2, and so this will just be to hang up in our apartment and maybe use on Canada Day. Next, I just got some command hooks. I'll probably buy more down there, but I just wanted a couple to get me started because you can only use these to hang things on the walls in housing. Got the shampoo that I really like that I don't know if they'll have down there. It's Live Clean 2-in-1. I got a loofah. I got heckin' bobby pins because I always lose these. Elastics. And these little alligator clips. I got Q-tips, which I don't really use anyway because I hate that feeling in my ears. It's gross. I like it for other stuff. And for my birthday, 2 little journals. One says day, one says night. So I can write in these. Same friend also got me this really cool pillow, which is like vacuum packed right now and will probably expand, although I might even vacuum pack it even more because I do feel air in it. But it's just really cute. It's like the evil eye, so she'll be watching over me while I'm gone. So next is my bedding. I got a duvet from IKEA. This was only $7.99. I mean, it's like paper thin, so I'll probably be cold. I'll probably end up buying another little throw blanket once I'm down there, but this comes packed really nice and light and like no air in it, so I thought that would be awesome. And I got this, of course, millennial pink sheet set, also from IKEA. I think it was like $25, and it comes with a fitted sheet, a flat sheet, and 1 pillowcase. And to go with that, I got this duvet cover from IKEA as well. I think this was $20 or $25, and it comes with 1 duvet cover and 1 pillowcase, and it looks like that. It's like pink and it's got some orange like spots that you can kind of see in it. So that will be super cute. So next I'll show you things like clothes and accessories. So I got these really cute pair of mini Keds. They were on sale, I think. They were only $25 from a store here in town. A pair of like mirrored pinkish sunglasses that are kind of cat eye. And just a black pair of sunglasses. The only other sunglasses I really ever wear are my Ray-Bans, but I just wanted to switch it up a little bit. Got these really cute earrings. And these really cute earrings. And of course, these really cute earrings. So the sunglasses and the earrings are all from this website called Romwe. It's like a really cheap, not very ethical, but the clothes all come like straight from China, so you pay like peanuts for it. And I got this necklace if I want a Disney bound Moana. I thought this like, it's like a little message in the bottle. I don't know, it was blue. whatever, thought that would work. Alright, so last but not least, all the clothes that I bought. I got this really cute shirt from Forever 21. I think it was maybe like 20 bucks or so. This shirt from Forever 21, it's just cute, kind of like a little kid, baby, whatever, I don't know what that style's called. And also from Forever 21, the next couple things are going to be from Forever 21. It's a dress that is like boat neck, or what is this called, square neck? I don't know, it's cute. And it just like flares out at the bottom. This little tank top from Forever 21. These little fruit shorts. They kind of show my butt, but it happens. This dress, it's just floral and cute and it buttons all the way up. Also shows my butt. It's the perks of having a long torso and a big butt. This is probably my favorite item that I bought. This bathing suit. It is so flattering on. I think it was on sale. It's like super high thigh. And then it's got a little cutout, so it kind of looks like high-waisted bikini bottoms with like a top, but it's like boobalicious, buttalicious. The next couple things I bought from that website, Romwe. I would consider checking it out if you just want like staple pieces. It's really cheap. Everything I think I bought was between like $3 and maybe like $10, like really cheap. Not everything always comes like it looks in the photo, which is the risk you take. This is example number one of what doesn't look like the photo. These are a pair of shorts that look like pajamas, feel like pajamas, and are supposed to have like a tie around them. They're also, I think they were only like one size fits all, but that's obviously never the case, so these are kind of whatever. Got a little black ribbed tank top. It's very small, fits me kind of weird, just like everything. Same thing in white cream-ish. Bathing suit. The thing about bathing suits, if you ever buy from them, always buy way bigger than you think. So I usually wear like a medium, like large bottoms. So I got a large, and that was the biggest size they had. And the top does fit me, so the top's really cute. It's kind of like Minnie Mouse polka dots. And that fits just because it stretches over my chest. But the bottoms, they're supposed to be like super high-waisted. Ooh, there's like crap on them too already, and I just got them. But it doesn't really matter because they don't fit me anyway. They're way too small for my butt and my stomach and my thighs, so yeah. LOL. So I thought I was gonna Disney bound Moana, so I was like, oh, I'll look for like an orangish red like tube top. And I thought I was getting like a tube top that was like, you know, slightly cropped, and I got this. So this is a Band-Aid. It covers my face, and that's about it. It's very small. I just washed everything too to like get all the wrinkles out, and everything I think shrunk a little bit, so oops. And I got this really ugly Disney look skirt that's kind of like mermaidy. I don't know. It cuts me off at a weird spot, but I kind of wanted to wear a skirt because I feel like it's going to be really hot when we're in the parks and we're going to be walking, so I wanted to be comfortable, but I've also heard it's really cold in the Disney University Traditions building, and I needed something that was Disney look that was like long enough, and nothing's ever long enough on me, so I got this. That's pretty much it. I also have a Herschel fanny pack coming in the mail. I felt like that would be cool, be like hands-free in the park. And then I also plan on getting a pair of like slip-on white Vans, because I think those will be good for like almost all of these outfits. I think that's pretty much it. If you have any questions about anything that you saw, let me know in the comments down below. If you're interested in learning more about the cultural exchange program, or even just general stuff about the Disney College program, consider subscribing because that's mostly what my channel's about. I will definitely keep you guys updated on all of my packing, and my whole apartment is currently in boxes and stuff because I am moving, well, I'm putting everything in storage at the end of the month, so I will keep you guys updated on that. Like this video, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you guys real soon. Bye!
What can I say except you're welcome for the tides, the sun, the sky?